Here we go, another day working on the 1 of 500 A91 Toyota Supra. Today, hoping I'm gonna rip off this front bumper, see what kind of structural damage we have in the front end, as we kind of already figured out what is going on in the underneath of the car. Well, as usual, marking some things down. I don't know what you would call this piece here. I don't know. That's what I need a label though. 5, 6. Luckily this side's already done for us by the accident. We do have the bumper off now. I'm gonna take all the hardware that I did get from the bumper, other than the other half, which obviously was part of the accident, not here. Bag it. Pretty much a lot of 8mm bolts and then the 10mm bolts that were on top. I wish I could help you guys out on the left side, but that got deleted. Moving forward, let's keep digging into this front end. Whatever this is, looks gonna need another one of those. Anyway, this, obviously, new smash bar. Headlight we'll get to. This floor piece needs to come off still. And then one of the big ones is our subframe needs to get replaced. So let's work on getting all this plastic junk out of here. And this smash bar, figure out how to get rid of that and continue.
My eyes are open wide. By the way, I made it through the day. I watched the world outside. By the way, I'm leaving out today.
There's proof that if you use your head, you could get anything done. Let's I'm gonna clean this up a bit and then we'll get over what I've done. Well, here we have it. Everything is stripped from the front end. The radiators, smash bar, assessing more damage. Gonna need at least 2 radiators. Obviously that smash bar, one of the hinge brackets, a coolant hose in here, the charge pipe, which we knew, the intake box, the ram for the intake, this plastic bracket, I'm not sure what it's called, and yeah, the subframe, as we mentioned. So, a lot of stuff, big mess. Everything is replaceable, so that's a positive. Just needs a little bit more work and some sponsors. So yeah, mechanically, we do have our work cut out for us. Obviously, if you guys want to see the end of this car being put together, the bodywork, the mechanical stuff. Like, comment, subscribe. Continue supporting the channel with your viewership. And on that note, we end till next time.